This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an iced tea latte. First, gather your ingredients: a strong tea, your preferred milk, a sweetener like simple syrup, and plenty of ice. This delightful beverage is a fantastic way to enjoy tea with a creamy twist. We'll cover brewing the perfect tea base, mixing it with milk, and adding those final touches for a delicious, customizable drink you'll love. To create a robust tea base, steep 2 tea bags or 2 teaspoons of loose leaf tea in about 4 ounces of hot water. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes to ensure a strong flavor that won't get lost in the milk. Once brewed, remove the tea bags or strain the leaves, then allow the tea concentrate to cool down completely. You can even chill it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Now for the fun part, assembling your latte. Fill a 16-ounce glass with ice cubes. Next, pour in about 6 to 8 ounces of your favorite milk, whether it's dairy or a plant-based option like oat or almond. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, adjusting for your taste. Finally, slowly pour the cooled, strong tea concentrate over the milk and ice. Watch the beautiful layers form. The best part about an iced tea latte is how easily you can customize it. Try different teas, like a spicy chai or an earthy matcha, for unique flavors. You can also add a splash of vanilla extract or a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra dimension. For a special touch, top with whipped cream or a dusting of nutmeg. Give it a gentle stir, and your delicious, personalized iced tea latte is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.